How to renovate your home to increase its value without breaking the bank. What are the tips? Where to spend that money? I'm Brian Khatambakhsh, and this is another episode of my real estate tips from my car. I do this every morning. So where do you want to spend your money in your house to get the biggest bang for your buck, a best return on your investment? There are 4 really good tips that I can give you, and today I'm going to give you number 1. To get to the point right away, kitchen. This is one of the most important thing and the best investment you can do, to invest money in your kitchen. Okay, now people some say, oh, just change the top, and well, those tops are different. If your cabinets are okay, just doing a countertop and undermount sink will help a lot. You can also paint some of the older cabinets if they are in good shape, so physically in good shape, but the color is out of date, or they look a little bit shabby or dirty. There are some places that they can take these things to the factory and paint them really well with a very reasonable cost. So there are so many things you can do with the kitchen. So change the whole cabinet, just paint the cabinet, do the countertop, do the backsplash, and the appliances. And a combination of all this, you can't just do one and say, okay, you know what, I just did this, give me the return on that. No. People have to walk into your kitchen and fall in love with it. Especially the ladies of the family usually are the ones that are doing the cooking and stuff. And the family loves kitchen. They spend more time in kitchen than anywhere else in the house. Most likely, that's where the most impressive thing is. So spend the money on the kitchen, but be wise. Okay, don't just go throw the money around. Don't just go with something. Go buy very high-end appliances, but then cabinets are still not as good as it should be, and so on. Make the whole thing look really fast. You enjoy it yourself. Whoever wants to buy your home will also enjoy it. I'm Brian Khatambakhsh. We are a real estate consultant. If you have any question about real estate, give us a call. Let us know. Call or text me 647-848-2652, or email me or DM me. And if you like what we put out here, you can follow us on YouTube and Facebook and Insta, and turn on the notification. So whenever we we put out the good information, have a new video, we'll notify you. Until tomorrow, have a fantastic day, and talk to you tomorrow. Wait till tomorrow for tip number 2 on how to increase the value of your home by renovating it. Bye-bye.